What's up, everybody? It's the Welding Machine. Brought you guys with another video. It's nice and hot outside today, about 98. In this video, we're going to be comparing Vulcan 7018, comparing that to Hobart 7018, 1/8 inch. So we're going to preheat them all and put them in the oven. We're going to put them in my rod oven. Make sure we get the good ones. Stay cool, it's hot out there. And it tells you what the rods are used for. Oh, wow. Look at that. These rods are clean, bro. So we got them all in here. Got them all separated to keep track of them. And we're going to go put them in the rod oven. Let's go. Set them to 350. So we're going to be comparing the cheap rods versus the good rods and what I like about them, what I don't like about them. It's going to be like a review on the rods. So, for you guys that didn't know, low hydrogen rods, the more dry they are and the 0% of moisture, that's why in every structural pipe, all the rods just about need to be heated up and warm the day before. I need to get me a rod oven. I found out where I can get them for like 150 bucks. Alright, that's done. We'll hook up the machine and we'll be right back. Chicago Electric, I had this welder for about, I started college back in 2014, no 15. So I had this about 3 years and I just unburied it after buying new equipment. You know, you have equipment that's buried deep under a whole bunch of stuff, but then you finally bring it out to make sure it still works. Still works. I used this welder so much back in the day. Now I figured I'd shoot a video. I know they don't sell this particular brand, but they sell like an updated version. Alright, y'all, so the first rod we're gonna burn is gonna be, we're gonna go Vulcan first. Alright, so the first one is the Harbor Freight Vulcan 7018.
Yeah.
So guys, with comparison, looking at all the welds and electrodes and stuff, they all look visually okay. The next video I'll probably post is cutting the welds, or cutting what I weld on and etching it, check to see how much penetration each rod gets. That'll be in the next video. But in the rest of this, we're gonna burn up the rest of the rods, do some triple stacks, some double stacks, you know, try it out. We're gonna see how it runs, y'all. So Vulcan. Second pass. The hole bars. Same thing. This is the Excalibur. It looks a whole lot better in my opinion. I like these rods. They're expensive, yes, but they've been around for a long time. You know, first pass, cover the toe and half of the previous weld. So now you got that edge, so when you start welding this way, you'll have that edge to where to catch it. What's up guys? So it's the welding machine back. Yes, I am sweating like crazy. It's freaking 90 something degrees outside. And you know, I'm trying to put in this work to do this YouTube video and stay busy with business, which business is going pretty slow, but I mean, it ain't too bad. I'm enjoying a little day off or whatever here and there. Making YouTube videos. See that sweat? See that sweat right there? This is putting my sweat, blood, and tears into YouTube right now. Thank you for my subscribers, for subscribing. You know, spread the video. You know, get as many video likes or whatever I can. I mean, I appreciate them all. And thanks for watching. Welding Machine out.